beautiful day to play in the garden. I love running through these pretty flowers. Oh, wow! Look at this amazing red carrot. It's so big and shiny. I can't wait to show Mama what I found. She's going to be so surprised. Mama, look what I found in the garden today. Isn't it wonderful?
What a treasure you found, my sweet little one. I'm so proud of you. Nothing tastes better than a meal shared with the ones we love most.
Once upon a time, a tiny bird was looking for a safe home.
Hello, tree. Can I live here with you?
Of course, little bird. Sing for me, and I will protect you from the sun and rain.
Thank you, dear tree. Let me sing you the most beautiful song.
From that day, the bird and tree became best friends. True friendship lives in kind actions, not just words.